Hi everyone, welcome back to new video. So guys, in this video I will tell you if you're fresher experience or if you have made any career gap and want to start your career in the field of IT companies and if you're facing any problem. So in this video I will recommend you about one platform through which they will recommend you, guide you how you can start your career in the field of IT companies. And if you're fresher and don't have much knowledge how you can start your career in the field of IT company and what are the important skills and important point you need to keep in mind for getting placed in the field of IT company. So in detail guys, I will tell you about everything how you can start your career in the field of IT companies and what the problem you are facing. So everything they will guide you from scratch. Okay, so let's start. So if a fresher guys or working professional or if you are mending career gap and facing difficulties in getting placed because due to recession guys, currently hiring process are also slow. So you can see why I attended the demo classes. Okay, so just you need to book a demo classes and after that they will guide you and recommend you what the points you need to keep in mind for getting placed. Okay, industry overviews gain valuable insight into the dynamics and rapidly evolving fields of data science. There guys, they will guide you what the numbers of vacancies available and how much salary and what are the point you need to keep in mind. So everything they will tell you about this field. Okay, and pathway to land a data science job, so how you can get a job, learn more about the diverse job roles and essential skill required in the data science industry. So they will guide you about the numbers of vacancies available and what are the companies and what are the skills you need to learn to get into these fields. And QA section is also there in case if you have any other questions or and if you want to get some other information about this field or if you have any doubts, then you can ask in this QA section. Also get your hands on all information you need about our courses so you can make an informed decision. And at last guys, after successfully completion of this demo session, an exclusive award is also there. You can see attend the whole demo session and win exclusive award at the end. Okay, so these are the some of the highlights of this demo session guys. And also what are the eligibility criteria of joining this demo session. So anyone can apply for this opportunity guys. If you're a fresher, working professional, or if you have made any career gap and want to start your career in the field of data science, then you can join this demo session. Okay, so you can see clearly they have mentioned for anyone who want to create a successful career in the data science or fresher looking to launch their career in data science or experienced professional looking to upgrade within demo skill and job seeker trying to make a comeback after a career gap. Okay, so any graduate can apply for this opportunity. Below 2023, all batches can apply for this opportunity, no issue. Okay, and also guys, after joining this bootcamp, many students are also getting placed to this platform. So you can see here from our peers who have been successfully placed. So you can see many students are getting placed through this platform. So in case if you have any doubts and query, you can directly contact with them on LinkedIn because their LinkedIn profile URL is there. So you can directly talk with them. Okay, because guys, many big and good companies are also hiring through this platform. So you can see right now 500 plus hiring partners are there and companies like Google, Tech Mahindra, Deloitte, TCS, Cognizant. So many big and good companies are also hiring through this platform. And guys, this platform also offering to you to work on a project, whatever project currently running on industry along with core modules. So you can see right now 10 plus data science project running on industry. So projects like COVID-19 prediction, credit card approvals and health insurance prediction. So just scroll right to left and you can see many projects are currently running on industry. So you can check out guys. Okay, so although we have discussed every important highlights, but before applying, don't forget to check FAQ section because here some general question answer are already done. So you can see who is the data science demo classes for. So you can see anyone can apply for this opportunity, means any graduate can apply for this opportunity. So here some general question answer are already done. So you can check out guys. Everything they have mentioned is there are registration fees. So no, there is no any registration fee. So this is totally free demo classes guys. So anyone can join this demo session and get some career guidance if you want to start your career in the field of IT companies or in the field of data science, because this demo session is totally free guys. So how you can apply, you can see one registration form is there right side. So fill your first name, last name, email ID, contact numbers and choose a date today or tomorrow and click on book demo and after that they will contact you. Okay, so this is how you can apply for this opportunity guys. So if you face any problem, you can do comments and you can directly contact us on Instagram. So guys, both apply link and Instagram link given in video description. So check description for more information guys. And also if you are submitting the form, make sure that you are rechecking your form so that there will be no mistake. Okay guys.